Hello friends, welcome to another episode of 2 minus 3 equals negative fun. On this episode we are discussing consecutive integer word problems. Alright, for this example it says find 3 consecutive integers such that the sum of twice the smallest and twice the largest is 132. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and start by setting up for 3 consecutive integers. So I'm going to begin listing for 3 and we're asked to find 3 consecutive integers such that the sum of twice the smallest and twice the largest is 132. So I've got to take the smallest but it's not just the smallest one, it's not just the largest one. We've actually got to manipulate that a little bit because it's actually twice the smallest. So we're going to have to do 2 times the smallest and twice the largest. And that'll get us 132. Well, the first number in the list is the smallest. And the third number in the list is the largest. So now from here I'm just going to plug in 2 times the smallest, 2 times the largest, and that gets 132. So now we've set up our equations, let's just go ahead and solve this. So our first number in the list is 32, second is 33, and third is 34. And we could check this by multiplying the smallest by 2, and that would get you 64. The largest by 2, and that would get you 68. And 64 plus 68 is in fact 132.